so much. Good morning. We are preparing for our second league game. As much as you know that we didn't start on the positive note that we faltered in the first game, and we are trying as much as possible, and hopefully that we begin to improve from the last game that we played. In terms of the FIFA ban, we are still waiting, and hopefully maybe we may have few of our new players being part of the team, hopefully this week.
And maybe how has been the progress with regards to that communication between maybe the club and FIFA to lift the ban?
I think for me as a coach, it's difficult to make a comment. I think the better person, I think those are more of admin. But I think on our side, we're just anticipating that anytime something positive may come up. That we picked from the first game, and we that will be playing at home with the massive crowd behind us, giving us that extra support. Playing at home also, we need to pick up a positive result and stay with the pack, even as we keep on improving by every game. But it is also that we get a bit consistent and stay with everyone in the position where we are